Hello friends, welcome to Vedic Astral Science. We are back with the part 2 video on understanding the sign Aries. In the previous video, we have talked in detail about its planetary ruler Mars, the symbol Ram, places associated with the sign Aries, the Shakti or cardinality of the sign Aries, and the Tattva or element of the sign Aries. So if you are watching the part 2 video randomly, then it would be better to watch the part 1 video first with the heading Understanding the Sign Aries. Alright friends, now let us begin from where we left in the previous video. So we were talking about the guna associated with sign Aries, which is Rajoguna or mode of passion. Now, here one may question that when the sign Aries is ruled by a tamasic planet Mars, then why this sign is predominated by mode of passion or rajas? Well, Rajogun here is not given by Mars. It is coming from the cardinality or the Shakti of the sign Aries, which is Chara Shakti or movable energy. All four Chara Rasis, which are Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn, are governed by Rajogun or mode of passion. Without Chara or movable energy, creation cannot manifest. Okay? Movement is inevitable for any kind of creation. So, very rightly, the first sign of the zodiac had to be a Chara Rasi so that the motion could be set and a pattern or order could be developed. Now let us take the element of Aries, which is Agni Tattva or fire element. We have discussed about the qualities and attributes given by fire elements to the Aries native in part 1. So here in this video, let us see few other aspects of fire element. So as Aries is governed by fire element, Aries signifies east direction. All the three fire signs, which is Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, they signify east. This concept of direction is used in the questions pertaining to direction for rise of fortune in Jatak Kundali or individual horoscopes, and it can also be used for finding out the direction of a lost person or of an missing object. Okay. Because Aries is governed by fire element, the Purushartha associated with Aries is Dharma, okay, or being their authentic self. So, being the self at all cost is the lifelong Dharma or motto of these natives, okay. They hate compromising or pretending. Alright friends, now let us talk about planetary compatibility or how each planet works in the sign Aries. So let us start with favorable ones or compatible planets. So as you can see in the slide, Sun is exalted in Aries till 10 degrees. Plus of course Aries is a sign which is ruled by Mars, who is a friend of Sun. Both the sign Aries and planet Sun are governed by the fire element or Agni Tattva. Apart from that, if you count from the Mool Trikon Rashi of Sun, which is Leo, the sign Aries will be located in the ninth house or in a trine position from the sign Leo. So in that way also this placement of Sun in Aries is highly conducive, especially if Sun is anywhere within the first half or within the first 15 degrees of sign Aries. Why? Because from 0 to 15 degrees Aries, Sun will occupy its own hora or Leo hora. Okay. So we can say that Sun is highly compatible with the energy of Aries. Okay. Now let us see Mars. Mars is considered to be in his Mool Trikon Rashi till 12 degrees of Aries, and the remaining portion of 18 degrees is considered his own sign. Okay, and Mars is also governed by Agni Tattva or fire element. So we can say that Mars is also highly compatible in Aries. As Mars is a male planet, he is better be placed within the first 15 degrees, same as what we saw in the discussion of Sun. Okay, because the first 15 degrees of an odd sign belongs to Hora of Sun. So male planets gain strength in the Hora of Sun. Okay, now let us see Jupiter. Jupiter in Aries should also be considered compatible, uh, not as compatible as Sun or Mars, but compatible. Okay, because Jupiter is friend with the sign Lord Mars, and if we count from the Mool Trikon Rashi of Jupiter, which is Sagittarius, we will find the sign Aries being located in the fifth house from Sagittarius or in a trine position from Sagittarius. So in that way also Aries is a compatible sign for Jupiter from surface level analysis. And for Moon, Aries is a friendly sign and Moon will feel compatible in Aries if she is placed in the second half or in the Cancer Hora or own Hora, because as a female planet Moon is better be placed in the Hora of Moon. Okay, but from the Mool Trikon Rashi of Moon, which is Taurus, you will find the sign Aries in the 12th house. So this is not a favorable point as far as this placement is concerned. But in the second half of the sign Aries, we can expect good results from Moon. However, if Moon occupies Aries, native will be mentally strong, courageous, and active. Okay. The point to be noted here is all these planets are usually compatible or generally compatible with the energies of Aries, provided they are not afflicted in the natal chart by any means. Okay. So a planet may be compatible in certain sign, but if it is afflicted by other malefics, okay, other malefics can afflict a planet by means of aspect or conjunction. So let's say if a planet which is compatible in Aries is conjunct or aspected by the nodes or Rahu Ketu, then they will fail to deliver the expected good results. Alright friends, now let us look at Venus. Venus is considered moderately compatible or average in sign Aries because Mars is neutral for Venus. However, as a female planet, Venus can produce good results if it is placed anywhere from 15 degrees Aries to 30 degrees Aries or in the second half of the sign Aries. Okay, because it will be placed in the Cancer Hora or in a female Hora. So as a female planet, Venus can give good results in that case. Okay. Venus gives good results from 3 degrees 20 minutes to 6 degrees 40 minutes of Aries. And let me change the slide friends so you will understand why I am saying that. So this segment of 3 degrees 20 minutes to 6 degrees 40 minutes of Aries belongs to Ashwini Nakshatra second Pada, and which is the Taurus Navamsa. The for Venus it is a Navamsa ruled by itself. Okay, it will be Venus's own Navamsa. So Venus can give good result in this segment. Okay, and from 20 degrees to 23 degrees 20 minutes of Aries, which is Bharani Nakshatra Pada 3 or Libra Navamsa, and it is also a Puskara Navams plus Puskara Bhag. Okay, Venus gives excellent result in this particular segment, which is the 7th Navams of Aries. Okay. Okay friends, now let us see the incompatible planets in Aries. So as you can see in the slide, Saturn is debilitated in Aries from 0 to 20 degrees. Okay, and Aries is an enemy sign for Saturn. Apart from that, Aries signifies birth, health, vitality, youth. Okay, this is the reason why Sun is very compatible in the sign of Aries, because of the similarities between the significations. Okay, but Saturn on the other hand represents death, disease, old age, and all the other things which are quite opposite to the sign Aries and also to the planet Sun. Okay, so Saturn is not considered compatible in Aries at all. For Mercury also, Aries is an enemy sign, and of course from the Mool Trikon Rashi of Mercury, which is Virgo, we will find the sign Aries in the 8th house from Virgo, which is not a good combination generally. But the same Mercury, if aspected or influenced by benefics, it may produce good results in certain aspects of the life of native. Okay friends, now let us see the Nakshatra Padas, Navamsa and special dignities attached to some specific Navamsa or segment within the sign Aries. Okay, the first Navamsa of Aries is Vargottam because it occupies the sign Aries both in D1 and D9. Okay, the seventh Navams or the Libra Navams is a Puskar Navams and Puskara Bhag as well. Okay, and the ninth Navams or Sagittarius Navams is also a Puskara Navams, which is the first pada of Krittika Nakshatra. These three segments of 3 degrees 20 minutes each are considered auspicious, and if benefic planets or let's say the Lagna or Lagnes occupy these segments, it is believed that they will produce excellent results. Okay, and if malefics are placed in these segments, then it is believed that the potential to give bad results get reduced. Alright friends, this is all for today. We will be back with another video on zodiac signs very soon. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe Vedic Astral Science for watching more videos on astrology like this. And thanks for watching the video till the end. Happy learning and stay fine.